Hi, this is Barbara Taffy. Welcome to my Alternative Health and Beauty channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about wheatgrass juice, what it is specifically, and most importantly, what it can do for you. So wheatgrass is actually the young grass of the wheat plant, and it's harvested while it's just, about that tall. It's one of the best superfoods that are available to us. And while fresh wheatgrass juice is preferable, it can be inconvenient. You'd have to go to a place that sells fresh juice, and the shots can be $4 to $5 each. Or if you want to do it at home, which of course would even be better, you would need to buy a fairly expensive juicer, and you'd have to buy the big sheet trays of the wheatgrass and do it yourself. So if that's not convenient, or if it's just not going to work out for you, I think the very close second best is wheatgrass powder. Now, the brand that I take is Garden of Life, and I really like this, although there's plenty of other good ones out there. I think that one of the most important things is to make sure that it is 100% organic and non-GMO. So wheatgrass powder, it lasts a long time, it's very convenient, and you can easily take it every day. Make sure that it's really bright green, because there shouldn't be anything else in it. So wheatgrass should be the only ingredient in the powder that you purchase. And one of the best things about wheatgrass is that it's so high in chlorophyll. In fact, that's why it has that bright green color. And chlorophyll in the vitamin or supplement and nutrition world makes the world go round. So just as a rule of thumb, chlorophyll is very important, and it's high in antioxidants. Wheatgrass is good in amino acids, digestive enzymes, and rich in vitamins and minerals. And in fact, one of the reasons why wheatgrass is such a superfood is because it contains up to 50 times more nutrition than just some regular vegetables. So taking a shot of wheatgrass juice every day alone won't eliminate your need for eating other fruits and vegetables, but it's a really great addition, especially those days when you're just really not getting your vegetables in. It is really a miracle for what it can do for you. Wheatgrass is good for your heart health, and it can help to lower your blood pressure and help with your cholesterol levels. So it's just really good for your body's systems. It's great for your overall immune function. So wheatgrass is something I would really recommend, especially if you're not feeling well. And it fights inflammation, and there's been studies that have proven that inflammation really causes a lot of diseases. So it can prevent a lot of diseases or help with them. Now, I'm not going to say that take wheatgrass and then don't do what your doctor says. If you have a disease, especially something serious like cancer, go to the medical world first and do what they say. But this is really a good addition. So I'm not going to say that this is better than medical advice. I would never say that about any kind of superfoods or supplements. But it can also help with a lot of conditions of your skin, such as psoriasis and eczema. And a lot of people spend a lot of money on facial products and creams and treatments, and if that's working for you, that's great. I'm not discouraging that at all, but I think that your skin really is best if you can work with it on the inside out. And wheatgrass is just good for the health of your skin, and it has more of the good natural color, and is less susceptible to wrinkles. So wheatgrass is a beauty treatment, and on top of that, because it levels out your blood sugar, it can also help speed up your metabolism. So wheatgrass can be an effective aid in fighting obesity. It's not a magic cure for weight loss, but it definitely can help you. It's also antibacterial, and wheatgrass can strengthen your blood. I've heard that it does balance out hormones, and it's just an overall great superfood. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and like the video and share it if it's been helpful. And I would be so appreciative if you could subscribe to my channel. I'm a fairly new channel, and I'd like to build up as many subscribers as possible. This is Barbara Taffy with the Alternative Health and Beauty channel, and also please check out my video on kelp supplements. I'll see you around soon.